Okay, let's start the bleaching process.
For the bleaching process, we need to make sure that the lid is closed, is tightened, so that we don't have any leakages, any pressure leakages. You also need to make sure that all the valves are closed. Then you start the vacuum pump.
Yes.
Right? And then vacuum pump should read negatives 0.08
Okay.
megapascals. And then you open the valve that is draining the oil from the refinery tanks.
Yes.
into this tank. And then after all the oil has been moved to this tank, you close the valve below. And then open the thermal oil, right? Heat this tank to about 110 degrees.
Okay.
When the temperature reaches 110 degrees,
You don't forget that this.
you need to
Yes, this. How to say it? It still needs stirring inside.
Yeah, okay. So you switch on the pump and then it starts steering.
Yes.
So you continue steering as the temperature increases.
Mm-hmm.
When temperature reaches 110 degrees,
Yes.
you then add the bleaching F.
Bleachers, the percent could be 3% to 5%.
Okay, 3% to 5%. Bleaching F. So to add bleaching F, you put bleaching F in the tank, open the valve, and then bleaching F gets in here.
Yes.
And then you close the valve. For how long do you continue mixing?
Mixes until this filtering.
Okay, so continue mixing. So stop, close when temperature reaches 110 degrees.
Yes.
Close the thermal oil valve.
Yes.
Then continue mixing. Allow temperature to drop to 80 degrees.
Yes.
And then when temperature drops to 80 degrees, you start the
Filtering. Yes.
the filtering process. Open this valve. Okay. And then after we open that valve,
This pump.
the pump.
Start this pump.
Okay, we start the pump.
Bleach the oil pump.
Okay, we start the bleaching oil pump. Then here I'm going to label these valves with digits 1 to 7. So this is valve number 1.
Yes.
This valve number 2. This valve number 3. This valve number 4. Number 5. This valve number 6, and then this is valve number 7. So the first step is to open valve number 1 and valve number 6.
Yes.
Which is this one and this one.
Yes.
Okay, we open, and then we check this glass here. When we see oil full,
Yes.
at this glass, we close valve number 6. Okay, and then we open valve number 4.
Yes.
All right, and then that is now the circulation. Oil starts to circulate, and then when the oil is clear, we check this one.
Yes.
Right, and then when the oil is clear, we close valve number 4, and then open valve number 5.
Yes.
Right, and then when we open valve number 5,
No.
yeah, yes, we open valve number 5.
Waiting the oil.
Oil gets
Yes.
in there, right? So that is the first stage.
Okay.
Yes. We're now going to the second stage.
Okay.
So for the second stage, we open valve number.
We use the air
Yes.
compressor.
Yeah.
So don't forget start the air compressor first.
Okay. So
Yes.
we need to start the air compressor first.
Yes.
And then we open this valve.
Yes.
Okay. To allow compressed air to get in.
Yes.
Then after that, we open valve number 6.
Yes.
Valve number 6 for 2 to 3 minutes. We check.
No. No.
What do we do?
The
We then close
third
this one.
stage.
We then close this
Yes,
one.
after second.
After no oil out.
Yes, we
close
close.
this one.
Yes.
So this is number 5.
Yes.
Okay, so after we close number 5, that's when we open 6 for 2 to 3 minutes
Yes.
until there's no oil in this glass.
Yes.
Then we open 4,
Close.
we close number 6 and open number 4 and check here if there's still oil until there's no more oil. And
2
then
to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes, and then close number 4 there. Then we open 3,
Yes.
this one,
Yes.
okay, for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay. So in this stage, the total 3 valves. The total
Yes.
time is make it in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
9-10 minutes.
Okay.
Somewhere there. Okay. And then we check here if there's still oil. If there's no more oil, we close
Okay.
number 3.
Okay. Then
That's-
close the valve.
And then close this valve.
Yes.
Then we start using the
Steam.
Okay. So when using steam, you open this valve
Yes.
and open this valve.
Yes.
Then after that, you open the
Steam generator.
valve to supply steam to this system.
Yes.
Right. After that, we restart this. We restart the process that we did
Yes.
with the compressed air. That is, open this valve and then see, monitor the level of the oil, if any. Then we close. We go on to opening number 4. Check oil level if there's any.
Okay.
You close, and then you open number 3.
Okay. So this process make it in 30 minutes.
Yes. So this whole process
Okay.
in 30 minutes.
Then close this valve.
And then close this valve. Close this valve.
Yes.
And then close the steam generator
Yes.
valve.
Yes. And one thing is that this valve you see is connected to this tank. So make it sure when we do the filtering, this is closed.
Okay.
If it's open, to go inside here.
Oh.
Then out.
Okay.
From top, you see,
From the
just
top.
stuck out.
Okay.
Okay.